Hello everyone, and welcome back to CBH Pavi YouTube channel. Today, we're taking a culinary journey to Vietnam as we learn how to make the beloved Hanoi-style Chicken Pho. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. In chilly weather, Hanoi Chicken Pho emerges as a seasonal choice with its tender meat, crunchy skin, and savory broth. This recipe serves about 6 to 8 people, takes approximately 120 minutes to prepare, and provides around 3,530 calories. Ingredients: a whole chicken about 2 kilograms, 2 chicken bone sets, 30 milliliters Vietnamese rice wine, shallots, 1 onion, ginger, coriander roots, scallion roots, coriander seeds. Seasoning: fish sauce, salt, rock sugar, herbs, scallions, coriander or lime leaves, pho noodles, garlic vinegar, lime, chili. 1. Preparation. If possible, select hens that have laid 1-2 clutches. This is often considered because hens that have laid eggs typically yield meat with a more flavorful and richer texture when compared to younger chickens. Massage the chicken with lime juice, salt, rice wine, or crushed ginger to eliminate any undesirable odors. Wash the chicken thoroughly with water. After preparing, the whole chicken should have smooth skin with no signs of remaining hairs. To elevate the richness of the dish, you can consider adding a set of chicken intestine and chicken ovaries. These small eggs are known for being soft and runny. Fresh chicken ovaries are small with a soft texture. Grill onions, shallots, and ginger to enhance fragrance, then wash them thoroughly. Roast coriander seeds until fragrant. Wash onion roots and coriander roots. Place shallots, ginger, and coriander seeds in a cloth or sealed filter bag. Add the bag to the pot for stewing the broth. Set aside the grilled onions for later use. After grilling, onions, shallots, and ginger will have dark spots on the outside. Lightly grill or blanch chicken bones in boiling water. Wash the chicken bones several times for thorough cleaning. Blanch chicken ovaries and intestines in boiling water. The grilled chicken bones take on a dark yellow color. Remove veins along the lime leaves. Stack the leaves, roll them into shape, and use a sharp knife to cut them into small strips. Wash the coriander thoroughly and cut it into small pieces. Cut the scallion in half and soak it in water. Slice lemons and chili into desired sizes. After soaking in water, scallions will curl up like green ribbons. 2. Cooking process. Blanch the chicken in boiling water. Add a little ginger to remove odors and impurities. Place the blanched chicken in a pot. Cover the chicken with water. Add ginger, dried onions, and a teaspoon of salt. Heat the pot gradually until the water boils. Once the water boils, reduce the heat and simmer. Skim off any foam that surfaces during simmering. Boil the chicken for about 5 minutes, then turn off the stove. Cover the pot and let the chicken braise for 25-30 minutes to ensure even cooking. Perfectly boiled chicken shows no signs of skin being damaged. Remove the cooked chicken and place it in a bowl of ice water to crisp the skin. Once cool, take the chicken out and hang it up to drain. Use a sharp knife to gradually separate the body, legs, neck, and wings. Filter and chop the meat into bite-sized pieces. Boil the chicken intestines and ovaries for 15 minutes until they are fully cooked. The boiled chicken has skin that looks shiny and a bright golden color. Filter the chicken broth for clear water. Place chicken bones and 2 clean prepared chicken bone sets in a pot. Add enough water for the desired serving. Add the package of ginger, grilled onions, and roasted coriander seeds to the pot. Simmer with an open lid and low heat for clear, non-cloudy water. Add grilled onions near the end for fragrance and sweetness. Avoid early addition to prevent soreness. Finally, season with salt, a little fish sauce, and rock sugar. Only add fish sauce at the end to avoid soreness. The pho broth boasts a clear and amber color. 3. Finished product. Blanch the noodles in boiling water and place them in a bowl. Arrange chicken intestines and ovaries, scallions, and coriander over the noodles. Scoop up the hot broth to cover the ingredients in the bowl. Chicken pho is often served along with garlic vinegar, lime, and chili. Thank you for joining me today on CBH Pavi, my channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking!